Today, we are going to make perfect, delicious homemade Nutella. Many people are afraid of eating Nutella because it contains too much sugar and palm oil. That's why I decided to make a perfect, healthy Nutella at home in 20 minutes. I have prepared many great recipe videos for you in the Food Chief channel. If you want to see more recipes, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. We are going to make healthy homemade Nutella with only 7 simple ingredients. 200 grams of raw hazelnuts, 250 grams of milk chocolate, 130 grams of bitter chocolate, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 package of vanillin, 3 tablespoons of hazelnut oil. First of all, we need to put the raw hazelnuts on a baking tray and bake them in 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. This process is going to help us in 2 ways. First of all, when the hazelnuts are hot, we can easily get their oil out. Also, when the raw hazelnuts are baked and hot, it's going to be easier to remove their skin. As we bake the hazelnuts for 10 minutes, we need to start melting the chocolate bars. I'll use 250 grams of milk chocolate and 130 grams of bitter chocolate. As long as you keep the total chocolate amount around 380 grams, you can add more bitter and less milk chocolate and vice versa according to your preferred Nutella taste. We will melt the chocolate bars through the bain-marie process. This is a famous method that is used in melting food. Especially when we want to melt chocolate, it's the best method because chocolate easily burns under heat. We need a bowl and a pot. We add some water in the pot and turn the heat on. We place the bowl on top of the pot and we put the chocolates into it. In this way, the bowl is going to heat up as the water vapor comes up and the chocolate bars are not going to burn. One trick in bain-marie is that the water in the pot should not touch the bowl. Otherwise, your chocolate can burn. As the chocolate melts in the bowl, we will stir it once in a couple of minutes. When the hazelnuts are baked, what you need to do is to get them in a towel, and as we move our hands on the towel, their skins are going to be removed. Then, without letting them cool down, put them into a food processor and start blending them in the maximum power. This is the part where you need a little bit of patience. The hazelnuts are going to be blended into smaller pieces, then they'll slowly get their oil out, and with the help of the oil, they are going to create the beautiful hazelnut cream. This process can take up to 5 minutes. When the hazelnuts create a consistent cream, you need to add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar into the processor and keep mixing them for another minute. If you want your Nutella to be even healthier, you can add 3 tablespoons of honey instead of powdered sugar. Then you need to add 1 package of vanillin and a tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix for another minute. Afterward, you need to add 3 tablespoons of hazelnut oil and mix for another minute. At the very end, it comes to adding the chocolate and giving your Nutella the unforgettable taste. You need to add the melted chocolate and mix it for another couple of minutes. And your healthy homemade Nutella is ready in just 20 minutes. You can put your Nutella into jars and enjoy it. I got 2 jars of Nutella from this recipe. I hope you try and enjoy this beautiful recipe. If you try it and like the recipe, please don't forget to leave a comment below. If you have a suggestion about the recipe, please also write in the comment section below. Last but not least, you can find great, easy recipes on my channel now and in the future. So if you want to enjoy these other recipes as well, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thank you.